Running Kimono here. So you guys know I do shop at the Dollar General, but I haven't really posted a lot of penny hauls or anything like that lately because it just hasn't happened for me, or I've not found much, or I found like 3 items, so it hasn't been a lot of stuff. But today, for whatever reason, I found like 24 items. I really hit the mother load, and it was even summer stuff, red, white, and blue stuff, a lot of weird things I was finding at the store. And the cashier, who I've never seen before, it's usually 2 younger guys that work at this one location. She's like, I don't know if I can sell this to you. And then she, in the middle of scanning all my stuff, ran away. And I guess she went and found her manager. And her manager, she explained what was happening at the till, that everything was ringing up for a cent. And the manager said, no, you have to sell it to her. We were supposed to get this stuff off the floor. We messed up. So it's her sale. And I really applaud this manager. And now the cashier knows that penny sales happen. But it was just one of those weird sort of things that initially it was like, am I not going to get this? Am I going to get it? And it seems like this happens, at least to me, once a year. And it always happens right around Christmas time, which is weird because this happened to me with some coffee last year. Finally, so happy I didn't have to call head office and I was able to get my penny haul, and I kept my wits about me. I didn't get crazy. I didn't get hyper. Cool as a cucumber. Wait to see what the manager says. And hopefully they side with you because it is their policy. Items ring up for a cent. They have to sell it. But yeah, that's what happened. Now, both Christie's Connections and the Freebie Guy, both of them excellent content makers who are always on top of this penny stuff. Again, I'm not the best. But if you have an NCI store and you're looking for non-updated stores, the updated stores don't usually penny till Wednesday morning. But in the NCI store where they have the flowers, anything with this little pumpkin that's this perfect harvest should be a penny. This uglier arrangement was a penny. My husband really didn't like this flower arrangement, but I didn't. I thought the pot was really cute. So if you open up the Dollar General app and either type it in or scan it, I know it's kind of fuzzy. I got a new phone, and for whatever reason, for some of the close-ups, it's not like my old phone. But it says F22, so that is a telltale sign that this is definitely fall. I found a bunch of these on a side cap, and they were on a hook. Again, perfect harvest. 2 scented packs, warm and spicy, $3. It just smells a lot like pumpkin, so it has that cinnamon pumpkin smell. Here is the barcode for that. So delighted. I think I found altogether like 5 of those, so I got quite a few. This is where things got really confusing. They have a big like sailboat, sort of like nautical, like a lot of like anchors and stuff and candles, all nautical. That's for the spring. And they had a bunch of beads as part of that, but these beads were part of it too. And I was looking at them and it said S22 red, white, and blue. So that's part of like summer of last year. So even if you have a couple minutes to look through that display, you might find some stuff because I was able to find one. Now, this is something I probably walked by like maybe like a million times. It's these mini magnets and they're all like red, white, and blue, very patriotic. They're actually green dots. So they pennied out like weeks ago, I think. And I found, I think like probably more than 10 of them. There's a whole mess of them, and they just kept scanning, and it was just one of those oversights. It's a magnet, small item. I don't think any staffer was really looking at those to pull them off the floor. They should have had some sort of manifest or a list of all the items and it's left in the store, but yeah, I got all of these for a penny, red, white, and blue, S22. So I lucked out with that. Sometimes if you can really spend a little bit of time, look high and low in areas, at the front where they have all those like impulse buys for kids, like the little pens and stuff and that little display. Like that's where I found these. So my receipt, everything, a penny. And I went shopping again around 2:00 today. Didn't put a lot of effort into this. Just if I find stuff, I find stuff. If I don't, I don't. And I found just a whole bunch of stuff to go shopping later in the day and to get all this. Very delighted. And the fact that the manager made it right, I think she's pretty cool. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.